Hi, I'm James Ewing. I help organise the Haslemere Classic Car Show. This is the 11th running of the event, and it's been another success. We've had better weather, but nobody's complained and we've had a great time. Culmination of many years of work. It's getting easier because we've got repeat business from the cars. It's just an amazing occasion. We have 240 cars, 40 to 50 stalls that we'd like to describe as farmers market meets arts and crafts, all good quality stalls selling great stuff. Got a lot of support from local businesses, and we try to promote local business in return. It's a great day. We make a lot of money for Haslemere Festival, all charitable organisation.
Hello, my name's Bob Webb. Here we are at Haslemere. Pleasant day, a little bit of rain but not too bad. The car I came in today is a Wolseley Hornet Special 1934 with a Eustace Watkins body. It's an unusual car in as much that it's 6 cylinders, overhead camshaft, twin carburettors and hydraulic brakes. That's quite unusual for a car of that era. I just always wanted a pre-war car, as I'm connected to Brooklands, and I was an apprentice there in the 1950s. So there we are. It's lovely to be able to bring it out and have a lovely ride. Thank you.
Okay, well, my name's Trevor Collett. I've come here from live in Bookham, just a couple north of here, and my car today is this Triumph Herald 1200 Estate, which is from 1967 originally. I bought this car, my first car, when I was 19 in 1978, and it was always going to be my retirement project to rebuild it, which I started in earnest about 7 or 8 years ago. Everything's been replaced, everything is to the original 67 specification, except it has got the 1300 Spitfire engine, which it wouldn't have had when it left the factory, but it is a 1967 period Spitfire engine, just to make it a little bit more easy to drive in modern traffic. And it means a lot to me, and I love it driving it back in this condition. They're lovely cars to work on, and everyone loves them. They've got so much character. So that's about it.
Well, this is a 1952 Sunbeam Talbot convertible. We've had her for about 13 years. She was repainted in its original colours about 4 years ago, and then we had her retrimmed and recarpeted last year. Everybody loves coming and just kicking tyres and talking about their cars, and there's a huge passion here, a real huge passion. You know, that's part of the fun and the hobby of having a car like this. Actually, they don't make them like this anymore, but you know, we try and preserve the identity of some of these vehicles for heritage purposes, and we do love them.
My name's Ian Davidson. The car is a Bogwood Isabella Coupe. It's 1959. I've owned it 20 years. It means a lot to me and my wife. We love the car. It's been used for our daughter's wedding. It's a beautiful colour scheme that we've got. I just love the style of the car. From every angle it looks beautiful. You won't see many of these around at all, and it's really unusual.
My name's Dr. David Nanscoville. I'm a retired consultant anaesthetist from London, and for a hobby, for my own amusement, I restore classic cars. This car is a Van den Pla Princess with the 1300cc MG engine. Unfortunately, there are only 18 of these automatic Random cars left in existence, or at least left registered on DVLA, because they've all rusted away. And this one was a complete rust bucket when I got it. And in fact, James Ewing, who's the organiser of this show today, did most of the welding on it because I'm not able to weld myself. I do all the other work, but I can't weld. But at the end of the day, you have something that one can be proud of. You are a custodian because one day this will go to another owner. But a lot of people here today have had a lot of pleasure from seeing these cars and saying, oh, I do like to see that, it's so original, and it just brings back to them memories of when they were younger.
I'm Mike Woodley, and this is the E-Type Jag that I've come in today, which is a Series 1 3.8. When I was 20 years old, I had one of these, the same colour, and I paid £250 for it. And I sold it for 200, so I'm about the only guy that's ever lost money on an E-Type. And today that car's worth about 250,000. So good investment for people buying an old car, tax-free capital gain, good place to put your pension fund. And you can enjoy it as well, and give other people enjoyment out of seeing it.
Before you all go home, we've got the winners of the People's Choice. There's the runners-up. There's car 162, it's a Renault Celta Catra, if that's correct.